are my baby birds that I rescued yesterday, and they're in the car now with me. My mother's driving. We're taking them down to Pueblo to the bird rehabilitator lady, small bird rehabilitation lady. She is wonderful. I took a baby quail to her years ago, and I remembered her name, and I got her information from the Pueblo Raptor Center. If you're in the area and you find any baby birds that have been displaced, or have fallen from their nests, their mom's not around, it happens a lot. So if that happens to you and you're in or around Pueblo, call the Pueblo Raptor Center and they will give you her information. She's absolutely wonderful. Say bye, birdies. Bye, little birdies. It's so hard to say goodbye. I got so close to them. They slept with me last night on my heating blanket on the bed, and I barely fell asleep because I didn't want to smash them. That would have been tragic, even more so than them losing their mother. But they were fine. They just snuggled up next to me, and now they think that I'm their new stepmom, and they'll never forget.